Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Welcome, my dear student of class 9. Today your new session with new chapter 10 of circles, session first. Let us start with chapter 10, chapter 10, that is the circle. What is the circle? First question is, what is the circle? There is a definition of circle at 169 page. The collection of all the points on a plane. This is the point of collection of points in a plane, which is equidistant from the fixed point. This is the fixed point, and these all are fixed distance from this point. The collection of all points which is equidistant from a fixed point is called the circle. And this fixed point is called center. That is called center. And the fixed distance is called radius. This is called the radius. Is it clear, my dear? In a paragraph, second last paragraph, circle divides on a plane. This plane में हम circle बनाते हैं. That is which is lies into three parts. ये three parts में lie करता है. First part inside the circle, अंदर की तरफ part. Second part outside the circle. Is it clear? And third part is the circular region. This is the circular region. This is called circular region. तो आपने ध्यान रखना है. क्या ध्यान रखना है? The plane in which circle is lie divides it into three parts. How many parts? This is three parts: exterior, interior, and circular region. Now, diameter. What is the diameter? The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. This is also chord, and the longest chord of circle is also called diameter. The double of radius is called diameter. Is it clear? Center से जाए, ठीक है, दो पॉइंट्स को मिलाने वाली लाइन, that is called the diameter. Is it clear, my dear? So next is our, that is arc. What is major and minor arc? This is minor arc and this is major arc. Major arc and this is minor arc. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now segment, minor segment and major segment. एक चीज और, जो डायमीटर है उस सर्कल को एंड से एंड पॉइंट को मिलाने वाली लाइन पॉइंट्स को मिलाने वाला, दिस इज द सेमी सर्कल. दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेमी सर्कल. इज इट क्लियर? Now what is a segment? This is called chord is that the line segment which meet the circle at two different points. Those points को मिलाने वाली line, that is called the chord. It is called chord. Chord और arc के बीच का part, it is called minor segment. छोटा है इसलिए minor, and this one is major segment. Is it clear? This is called the major segment. Now sector. This is circle, center, and this is two radius of a circle, and that region between radius and this arc is called segment. This is the minor segment, and this is called the major segment. दो रेडियस और आर्क के बीच का रीजन इज कॉल्ड, this is one is called segment, and this is a minor segment, and this is major segment. Is it clear, my dear? Now exercise 10.1. Come on, the exercise for 10.1. First is filling the blanks. The center of a circle lies in dash of the circle. The center of the circle का it lies in interior or exterior, that is interior of the circle. Second, a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than radius. अगर radius से वो point बड़ा हो distance से, तो वो कहाँ होगा? एक्सटीरियर में, इंटीरियर में होगा. रेडियस तो यहाँ तक सर्कमफ्रेंस से जाती है, अगर वो पॉइंट इससे बड़ा है तो इसका मतलब कहाँ होगा, दैट इज द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कोड ऑफ सर्कल इज कॉल्ड डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल. अभी हमने पढ़ा था डायमीटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कोड ऑफ ए सर्कल. नाउ नेक्स्ट, एन आर्क इज ए डैश व्हेन इट्स एंड्स द एंड्स ऑफ ए डायमीटर. अगर डायमीटर के एंड्स को मिलाएं तो दिस आर्क इज कॉल्ड सेमी सर्कल. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सेगमेंट ऑफ ए सर्कल इज अ रीजन बिटवीन एन आर्क एंड डैश ऑफ. आर्क और कोड के बीच का सर्कल होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोड ऑफ द सर्कल. 6. The most important, fill in the blanks. A circle divides the plane on which it lies its into how many parts? That is in 3 parts. Is it clear? That is in 3 parts. Is it clear? Now next is true and false. Line segment joining the center of any point to a circle is the radius of circle. सेंटर से एनी पॉइंट्स को मिलाने वाली लाइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड द रेडियस. यस, दिस इज ट्रू. नाउ ए सर्कल हैज ओनली फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ इक्वल कोड. फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ इक्वल कोड होंगी इसके अंदर? नो, इनफाइनाइट मैनी नंबर्स ऑफ कोड होंगी. इज इट क्लियर? इट इज ट्रू. सो फॉल्स. इफ द सर्कल डिवाइड्स इनटू 3 इक्वल आर्क, ईच इज मेजर आर्क. अगर 3 आर्क में से डिवाइड करें सेगमेंट तो सब के सब मेजर होंगे? नहीं, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, माइनर होगा. ठीक है. इज इट क्लियर? A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is diameter of a circle. अगर डबल है रेडियस से तो वो डायमीटर होगी. yes it is. The sector of the region between the chord and the corresponding arc. सेक्टर जो रीजन होता है chord और arc के बीच का होता है, no, it is between radius and arc. Is it clear? A circle has a plane figure. ये plane figure है? yes it is a plane figure. हमेशा plane में बनती है, so it is called the plane figure. Now next थ्योरम 10.1 पे आइए बेटे. यस, कम ऑन द थ्योरम 10.1. व्हाट इज थ्योरम 10.1? यस, इक्वल कोड्स ऑफ ए सर्कल सबटेंस इक्वल एंगल एट द सेंटर. तक आप प्रूव करो. प्रूव इज दिस इज ए इक्वल कोड ए बी एंड सी डी. इट इज गिवन, दैट इज गिवन that AB equal to CD. That prove that this is a center and this makes a equal angle from the center. Prove that हमें ये दोनों एंगल्स आपस में इक्वल होते हैं, ये प्रूव करना. Is it clear? That is angle AOB equal to angle COD. ये हमें को प्रूव करके नहीं है. Is it clear? Now come on the proof. Taking the triangle AOB and triangle COD. Is it clear? AOB and COD. I know that AO equal to OC, Y, and OB equal to OD also. Radius of same circle. एक सर्कल की एक ही रेडियस हो सकते हैं, अलग अलग नहीं हो सकते. Is it clear? ठीक. And next one is angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? This is a vertical opposite angle. So which property? That is SAS. The triangles are congruent. This is a congruent. So by simplicity, sorry, ये तो हमें प्रूव करना था. I take AB equal to CD. It is given. Then properties SSS, side. The triangles is congruent. So triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are equal. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CP CD. This is the proof. AOB, what is the name of one? AOB and CB2 is COD. This is our proof. Is it clear? So you understand this theorem or you remember this theorem? What is the statement? If equal chords, then it makes a equal angle at the center. Now its opposite, yani converse of this theorem, that is theorem 10.2. If the angle subtend the chords of a circle at the center are equal. If these are equal, then prove that AB equal to CD. Now we prove that opposite of this theorem. Theorem 10.2. Now it is given angle 1 equal to angle 2 and prove it AB equal to CD. Now again taking the two triangle AOB and COD. Again we know that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Radius of same circle. Second is angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is a given. So now property is SAS. Property is SAS. Triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. By CP CD. Then AB equal to CD by CP CD. This is our. Is it clear, my dear? So in exercise 10.2 first question is first theorem and second question is second theorem. देख लीजिए चाहे वही प्रूव कराया है वही सीख कराया है आपने सेम टू सेम यही चीजें लिखनी है. इज इट क्लियर माय डियर? सो इन नेक्स्ट सेशन theorem 10.3 and 10.4. Is it clear? And next further question. Is it clear? Till then, thank you very much.